I will start by analyzing the lipstick Priti and Pragati Verma use. Priti's lipstick color is Bordeaux. The lipstick color of Pragati Verma is strawberry red. Let's proceed with color picking the color of their eyes. Pragati Verma has black eyes. Priti's eyes are more on the brown side, but still predominantly black. Both girls are afraid of, you guessed it, mice. Mice and rats, to be exact. Who is taller of the two? That would be Priti. Pragati Verma is only 154 centimeters in height. Priti is 163 centimeters tall.